Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Blante TV, and thank you again for watching my previous videos. And if you're not a fan yet, or if you're not following, you may hit the subscribe button so you can support me to doing more videos like this. Then it only means that you're actually watching my videos. So I came across this video and I was really ecstatic to watch this. By looking at it, it's an interview of David Licauco by Nelson Canlas, 24 Oras Integrated News interview. And tara, sabay tayo manood. But before that, here. Here we go.
May naganap na confession sa muling pag-upo ni Samahan ng mga Makasalanan star David Licauco sa GMA Integrated News interviews. At kabilang dyan ang estado ngayon ng kanyang puso at ang honest feelings niya sa other half ng barda na si Barbie Fortesa.
So apparently this interview is about his upcoming movie, which is the Samahan ng Makasasalanan. Okay.
Son si David Licauco sa guesting ng kanyang mami na si Eden sa unang hirit kamakailan. Sa muling pag-upo ng pambansang Ginoo sa GMA Integrated News interviews, hats off daw siya sa kanyang mami sa pagiging natural sa TV.
Shit, sorry, but he looks so damn good in here. Like that mestizo Chinese looking business type of guy na low-key but brainy. I don't know if you are getting me, but that's what it's telling me right now. And so apparently yung mama niya pala is nag-guess sa unang hirit. Okay.
She was able to do that, na despite na hindi naman yung talagang line of work niya.
Gusto niya raw mag-meet si Barbie.
Oh, yeah. Dahil siya pa naman.
Parang ikaw yata may hawak ng susi.
Ano kasi, busy kasi si Barbie.
Okay.
Pag biglaan natutuloy.
Biglaan.
Pag walang plano natutuloy.
Pwede.
Wait. That smile. Oh, that side smile, and then that side look. Okay, let's watch.
Bang nakikita namin ngayon sa social media, ito, fan service pa ba to? May kasama ng feelings.
Which one?
Yung closeness ninyo ni Barbie.
We have to.
Ikaw yung tinatanong ko
I mean, you have to think na, of course, like Barbie just got off from a relationship and
Respect. That's one. I love that. I love how he put it. He started with the premise na Barbie has just got off from a relationship, and that's an indication of a good person. You know, you don't jump into the boat right away just because somebody has just been free. You know, that's nice one, David.
We should respect that, diba? Na parang kailangan niyang mag-heal, kailangan niyang ngayon, diba? Hindi, it doesn't have anything to do with healing. Ang tinatanong ko sa iyo, may feelings ba na involved?
I care for her a lot. Care for her a lot.
Can we qualify that?
What the guys? I'm so sana may kasama ako manood, no? I care for her a lot. First, I like his reasoning though. I really love the way how he organized his thoughts before he delivered. It's very proper. It's very prim. It's actually well thought out. Hindi minamadali. Hindi rin pakitang tao or fan service. Hindi lang siya for the sake of the interview, but the way he looks, the way he stares at you, the way he opens his mouth, the way he moves his hands, the way the countenance on his face really tells you a deeper connection between him and Barbie Fortesa. And let's find out more.
I just really care about her a lot.
Sobrang komportable nyo na sa isa't isa. Like, you protect her and sometimes she protects you.
Yeah.
So, nag-evolve na yung dynamics ninyo?
Sure, before, like, transparently, she was taken, diba? So
So malaking factor yun.
hindi naman, I mean,
You see, right? the psychology of his thinking. Like, if Barbie was single by the time that they were doing projects, he could have actually, I think this is for me, he could have actually taken one step, a notch, to maybe ligawan si Barbie, but the fact na sinabi niya na Barbie was in a relationship, so he was really respecting the relationship ni Barbie at saka ni Jack Roberto. That's a good man right there.
Work ka, di ba? Like, kailangan naman talaga, especially sa love team context, di ba? Like, you really have to be caring, and Barbie is someone I really care about. So,
Maluwag na ngayon yung pakikisama ninyo sa isa't isa now that, single ka, single siya.
the question's right. Again, I mean,
Good. He's really, meron talagang utak si David Licaco. Matalino talaga siya. Not just intellectual wise, brain wise. I mean, you know what I mean? Not just here, but is really emotionally intelligent, and I like that he takes time to answer, weigh things, but not really to sugarcoat or to hid some information, but to disclose information that are just right, timely, and proper.
feel ko kahit naman sino na nasa situation ko, kapag taken, hindi ka naman gagawa ng extra care, diba? But now, obviously, like, when we're together, like, I care for her. Ayun, syempre, mas maluwag nga, gaya na sinabi mo. In love ka ngayon? In love? Yeah, but with life.
Yeah.
In love ka with another human being.
Nako.
Wala, tense ka eh.
I'm really happy.
I wish that Sir Nelson Canlas could have, probed some questions that are open-ended questions. I hope that he could have explored those situations, because I think malalim yung magiging sagot ni David Licaco from that perspective. At maybe dahil nga may specific time frame lang, dahil primetime block ito, so it could have been better sana. I don't know. It's just for me,
Pasok ng kanyang best friend na si Dustin Yu bilang housemate sa PBB Celebrity Collab Edition.
Dustin,
wow.
kumusta ka
So
naman?
apparently best friend. Super close pala sila ni
Kumusta
Dustin.
kita? Bakit ka ba nandyan?
Okay.
Proud of you. Bad trip ako na wala akong ka-text. At wala akong kaibigan ngayon na pwede kong tawagan na, uy, para naman. Hindi ako nila-play ni... joke lang.
One thing I really love about this interview right here, no pretension, is just the raw, honest, and vulnerable, but not too clingy, not too dramatic. But he stays true to his core, which is prim and proper. But this is not just for Barbie. This is not just for David Licaco, but this is to everybody watching this video right now. I think the message that he's really trying to convey, lalo for the fans na really would love to see the beauty of how this relationship will grow into, that we hope we could find someone who will be there, waiting on the other side, not taking advantage of the situation, because that person knows that when you get out of that relationship, she or he knows that you are there waiting to take care for her or him, or to just listen sa lahat ng mga rants niya about life, or to just spend time with somebody who really understands and sees you, him or her, deeply and sincerely. That's what I feel now. That's what I understand because of David Licaco's message sa pinakita niya dito.
Dahil comedy film, marami raw siyang pinag-aralan para makapagpatawa ng mga manonood. At malaking tulong daw na napapaligiran siya ng mga komedyante habang nagsushooting.
You just have to react to your co-actors. It's just like basic acting, di ba? Kung matawa ka, matatawa ka. Sa mga kapuso, sana po ay...
And as an actor, I think he's going deep already. He has this mindset na, you have to go beyond the superficial. You have to be somebody who is beyond what meets the eye, you know? Sabi nga nila, what is essential is invisible to the eye, and I think that he's getting it. He's becoming a good, mature actor right now.
As you can see, I'm so nice.
Okay.
Diba? So makita niyo yan doon, tinuturo ko ang ating Diyos sa taas. At marami kayong matutunan, napakaganda ng pelikula. Manood naman talaga kayo, no?
Nelson
All right, so that's the interview, guys. The interview of Nelson Canlas during the integrated interview at 24 Oras. Pambansang Ginoo David Licauco. And I hope you learned a lot from that interview, because for me, it's not just of the fan service, not just because I love Barbie and David Licauco to be together, but I like how he's taking his time. But I also love the idea that while waiting, he's actually preparing himself for the situation if they're gonna be together. Hopefully sometime, somewhere along the way. But yes, this interview only tells you how deep, how connected emotionally sa pagkatao si David, sa pagkatao niya, itong si David Licauco. So yeah, what do you think, guys? I think ang dami niyo masasabi. But yeah, comment down and see you in the next vlog. Bye!
Well, that's practice making me